點啊？今晚又想試下啲咩新嘢咧？有熱狗啊，熱狗正啊喂！
唔使啦，俾杯齋啡我。
乜你唔使買宵夜俾女朋友食嘅咩？
走咗咯。
點解啊？
佢話想轉下口味喎。咁係嘅，宵夜都咁多選擇啦，何況男朋友？好似食個廚啲沙律，轉咩炸魚薯條啊？
唉，小事啫。佢唔轉口味又點知你真材實料喎？遲咗咪食個翻尋味，定啲啦。
唔該。
Please note, radio transmitting devices must not be used at any time on the aircraft.
每一架飛機上面梗有一個空姐係你想勾引。舊年呢個時候，我好成功咁喺25,000尺高空上面勾引咗一個。
Exercise care when opening the head lockers to ensure that items already stowed do not fall out and cause injury. Hand baggage must not obstruct the aisle or the emergency exit. Under your seat, there is a life jacket similar to the ones being shown.
What? The sun and the flowers.
If required, place the life jacket over your head and secure the tape firmly around your waist.
My yesterday
Blowing into this tube will also replace the life jacket. Masks drop automatically. All cigarettes should be extinguished now. Hold the mask downwards to start the oxygen flow.
My lonely nights.
Would you like a drink? Adjust the strap over your head and bring it forward.
Since you said you were mine. Lord, what
This aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system and emergency exit escape slides on both sides of the aircraft.
There's a
The
rainbow
exits are clearly marked and are being shown to you now.
skies above can be stormy.
Unfasten like this. We recommend that throughout the flight,
Since
you
that
keep
moment
fastened
of
to the
bliss,
seating in case of unexpected turning.
that
Cabin
thrilling
attendants will now pass through
kiss.
the aircraft to ensure your
It's
handbags are
heaven
correctly
when
stowed,
you
table secured, seat backs are upright, and seat belts are fastened in
find
preparation for takeoff.
romance
Thank you for listening
on
to the
your
safety
menu.
information. Now please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
What a difference a day made, and the difference.
我以為會同佢一齊好耐，好似一架日滿油嘅飛機咁，可以飛好遠。點知架機中途轉站。